making gourmet burger with ground chicken. You can use any ground meat. So I opted for this. I'm putting a teaspoon of curry powder. Quarter teaspoon of pepper, some salt to taste, and then 1 egg. And then we mix it with your gloves. To make the burgers ready, let's do 4 of them. One, two, actually it's a little too big. It's too. I think this should be good. Okay. The weather is very good today. Nice and breezy. I'm very happy to be back. The US. Spent a wonderful month and a half in Greece. Happy to be back to my home in US. So those are the 4 burgers which I'm going to cook later. I'm going to set it aside here. And it's time for me to wait for the temperature, maybe 400 to 450 on my grill. Is heating up. I'm going to make the sides. One is guacamole, and then I'm also going to make coleslaw. For the coleslaw, first ingredient is finely chopped cabbage, some finely chopped onion. You can also use onion powder, but I just chopped my onion. 1/3 of finely chopped carrots. And then I made a dressing with equal proportions of mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, and some ketchup. Some people prefer to put celery seeds. I don't like smell of celery, so I skip it, but you can use that. So this is my coleslaw. Looks yummy. I'll set this aside here. That's the first side dish done. The second one is going to be guacamole. For that, I have 2 avocados and a tomato, some garlic, some cilantro, onion, and juice of a lemon, half a lemon maybe. So the first step is get your avocados, Wow, it's a beautiful avocado. Beautiful. I usually just take a spoon and carve it out. That's the easiest way. And now to the second one. I always make extra avocado, guacamole, and then store it in a airtight container. It doesn't go black. Wow, this one is good too. I hate lottery today. Next, we'll put finely chopped onions. Some cilantro. I'm not going to put all of it. Maybe a big tablespoonful. And then finely chopped garlic. And I will chop tomato. I'm really enjoying this summer. The cooking outside is beautiful. So, all the tomatoes go in. So now we mix. I like my guacamole to be a little chunky. Mix it with salt and pepper. Half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. And then let's squeeze a lemon. This lemon is particularly juicy, so I'm going to just keep it with half a lemon. I'll finish it off with a little dollop of olive oil. You can use a fork to really mash up your avocados if they are a little hard, but mine were really ripe and nice, so I just went with a spoon, and as I said, I like it to be a little chunkier. So this is the guacamole. So let me transfer them to a serving dish. I'll show you how to plate it later. Okay. 450 degrees. I'm going to turn off some of the burners to regulate the heat. So I'm using my griddle today. Let me get burgers. Wow, that sounds good. been a minute or so, so I'm going to turn my burgers. Put some olive oil on top of it. And let's close it and wait. Well, just smelling wonderfully of curry. Cheese is melting a little bit because I put it outside. And I'm going to make one of them with no cheese. That's for me. Oh, this is wonderfully ready. Great. Wow, this is good. I have here some caramelized onions. It's really the star of the show. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. I'll put on these two a little bit of mushrooms just to give it some variety. Falling all over the place. Okay, and we will serve the put some cilantro for good measure. I love cilantro. Close them. Okay. Wow. This has been a fantastic day. Coleslaw. Let me take this one. It's amazing. Oh, let me taste. The best just place this way. Oops. Wow, it's really good. The flavor of the curry comes out. The caramelized onions are very good. The guac does wonders. Let me taste my coleslaw a little bit. This is really wonderful.